Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. We are back for the afternoon session. Let's get into it. Alrighty then, don't forget trading is risky and all that business. Let's go. All right. We had a 1, 2, 3 banger in there. It got me back into, I don't know, I would say big time positive territory. Depends if you're talking about relative to where I have been. We've been doing 5-figure days for a while. We're over 4K. We're almost at 5. It's been a rough day. I mean, look at this. It was very tricky in there. If you guys go back and roll back the tape and watch this morning's action, you will see what I'm talking about. I did make a mistake on Apex. It's not 80% off. They are doing a 90% off. Correction. 90% off using code ALGOBOX right now through September the 2nd through Labor Day weekend. And of course that goes along with, if you want to get in on our discount, our back to school offer is expiring in a couple of days there on the 1st. Theirs will last 1 additional day. And don't forget, the only requirement that we ask if you're going to get one of the back to school offers that is the same as our Black Friday offer right now, that this one isn't as good as the one prior, it does require you to make sure that you have committed to getting either an Apex or a funded next account. All right. If you have any questions around any of that, ask us there in the chat. We'll try to get them answered for you. But I did want to make a statement of correction. The rare moments where Apex is doing 90% off for the next few days using code ALGOBOX. So make sure you get some of those if you are an Apex fan. If you don't want the trailing drawdown stuff, use Funded Next and use, of course, code ALGOBOX. Either one of those will get you the back to school offer. Let me get the chats here on screen and we'll get back to things. Let's see. Super chat. There we go. All right. Thank you, Eddie, for posting that there in the chat. ApexTraderFunding.com. 90% off using code ALGOBOX. Let's see where we're at. So this was the zone we had said from this morning. Now, we've got this little bumblebee area here. So what I simply do is I find the pivot right in front of it. I measure to the inside of it right here in the center of this little bumblebee area, and I project out to go, where am I going to get my biggest short opportunity? And that's going to be a double move out of that right there. Now, meandering towards that, I will expect a slow grind, as slow favors the bulls, fast favors the bear. So when we're slow and grindy, we should be looking for the long side. Now, what's the long side target? Up there at 23,795s is where I am looking right now. I would like to see an entry somewhere in here. I missed this one back here. We just came online here, but that looks like a nice headshot along with the 6.3 to give it the boost. So if we come back down to this line here, I'm going to press F6 right here. We got the other cross right over here to the left as well. And those are in the valley, so we're probably going to rally, right? So let's watch and see if we can get some trade opportunities in that direction up into that area. We have R2 just up above it. Now remember, it's not like I'm just taking a pivot right off of that. I will probably draw this entire zone here for that one. Can erase this one from earlier this morning. This was our target from the big guys. Remember the two big giant the Jolly Green Giants pushing this up and got into the top side of the take profit zone. Looking to the left, we have another
NQ on the 4.
big bull right here, wanting to go 250 ticks right here. So I'll measure from this area here. I like to mark them out. Mark the big bulls and small bulls, 500 or 1,000. And that one's exactly 1,000. So that's how they like to run. Middle of that guy is here. It's 150, 250. Oh, way up here. Okay. Off screen a bit. Oh, 250 is basically R2. So I'm just going to widen this zone. And there we go. So this is the take profit zone for the big bulls down below. Oops, press the wrong button. F12, there we go.
NQ on the 34.
Wow, can't type.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Alrighty then. Got any questions? Pop them there in the chat. Try to get them answered. Happy Thursday. Smash the like button. Please do so. If you have not smashed that like button already, if you want me to be here the entire session, we'll need to get to 100 likes. It is 2:28. We got 2 minutes till the 2:30 reversal or the volatility move. Coming up here in 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's make sure we got financial juice on. I'm gonna refresh the page because I don't know, sometimes the audio doesn't come through. All right, financial juice audio news is on this afternoon. We don't have anything. What's up, Jacob Quinn? The coolest name in the industry. I am telling you, bro, that money, that is a bankable name right there. That is a marketable name, Jacob Quinn. That is pretty cool. Let's go, Mr. Raymer. That's right, Mr. Manigold. Howdy, howdy. Smash that like button. What's up, Badger? Slow and grindy, don't rewindy. That's right. I like that one. I like your version better. Mine is the win in a grind, do not rewind. But I like that. Slow and grindy, don't rewindy. I like it. Missile. What's up, buddy? Don't forget, currently the boot camp is free. algoboxpro.com. It will not be free forever. As soon as the editing is done on those videos, we did an 8-day boot camp that was live streamed for 8 days. All 8 videos are there in the training section for free. It says it there at the top on the boot camp. Just algoboxpro.com. Click on training at the top. That is the fast track. If you are not new to the markets and you kind of you know your way around, and then you just need to get updated on our latest tool sets and how we use them, our rules, our tools, our strategies. 8-day boot camp, we cover everything, soups to nuts. Now, of course, when you join, now you'll get the deep dive stuff, the full 40-day program and all that. You'll get access to all that, but you want to get up to speed quickly, make the decision as to whether or not this is the type of trading style you want to use. We really emphasize the video game style methodology. Like, I truly believe it doesn't matter whether you want to trade like a video game or not. The markets are a giant video game. Everybody is sitting in front of their desk, you know, gamer position, keyboard, mouse, and they're playing a video game. Like, regardless of whether they want to play a video game or not, everybody's playing the video game, trying to put the most amount of points on the board. You got people across the world playing against you. You've got big bosses in there also playing against you. And it is like playing a video game, regardless of whether people want to admit it or not. If I hear buyer's step here, I'll have to kill it. I might reverse it and get long, but that is a 1, 2, 3 banger. So I'm looking forward to this one. I'm hoping we get a big bang first before we push up into that profit zone area. I think everybody can smell that area above, and I'm hoping that we get a 230 reversal here first. The banger is actually into this crab.
NYMEX WTI crude October futures settle at $64.60 a barrel, up 44 cents or 0.7%.
All right, hopefully that's them finishing up the news.
NYMEX gasoline September futures settle at around $2.19 a gallon.
Here in buyers. But it is a 1, 2, 3 banger. Perfect numbers here. Is the open line around here? No, I don't see the open line. So this is near perfect. This is a 6. That's a 7. It's perfect. Okay, I will Seuss on the way down. If I have picked the absolute perfect top, then I will Seuss it after it gets to around 30 ticks. But we have to get to 30 ticks. It did not even go 20 just there. Don't like that. If I hear buyers step in here, I will half up quickly. Yep, no, I'm hearing them step. All right, I'm gonna kill it. I don't like what's going on there. Too slow. It's not quite picking it up. Now, when we come up in here, again, same play scenario. I'm gonna draw a white line here. This is my 2-try rule area. Kind of got 2 areas, F6 and right here on. So that's my 2-try area. We come back through that. I want to get big on it. Markets close at noon Monday for Labor Day. Thank you for that, Brian. Probably try to remind me of that again tomorrow, Friday, because I will likely forget. But yes, thank you for that reminder.
According to the Financial Times.
Actually, that's not even a reminder. That's the first one. Remind me tomorrow. It'll be a reminder tomorrow. But yeah, that's I didn't think about Labor Day being there. Monday will be a short day. Okay, I'm hearing the sellers step in. I'll re-engage my position. Highly knowledgeable that if I hear the buyers step in here, they could shove this all the way up into that take profit zone, which is where the bulls want to take it. However, we've learned from this before, something pops in front of it and we get an opportunity to the other side first, and then we can have another shot at it long a little bit later. No, I'm going to close it. ES is still pointing straight up. And whichever way ES points, NQ goes. So I'm a little bit nervous about trying to hold on to that position here. It's so juicy. I want it.
Posted the article
Almost want it too much.
on the feed for those interested.
Let's see if I can try to not make a mess out of this. I've got the retry zone marked out here. Oh, there it goes. Dadgummit. Oh, weak, Vinny. Weak. Weak hands, bro. Where are the diamond hands at, bro? Where's the diamond hands, bro? No diamond hands for me today. ES still pointing up. This might come back up. RTY pointing up. Dow pointing up. ES pointing up. NQ, the only one that took a little dive right there. Yeah, I need some Tory hands, diamond hands. Y'all saw that video? What's up, T. Cooper? What's up, Whiskers? What's up, Andrew? Playing for the doubleheader today. What's up, Cal? Let's get a measurement of 100 ticks here off the top. Where's 100 at? $100 is here. Hey, Jay-Z. What's up, Greg? Where did that go? 33 ticks. All right, nothing to write home about.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
Hey, Kath. Good afternoon. We got 10 minutes to get to 100 likes. Make sure we get to 100 likes so we can stay the whole session, or I have to call it early.
USTR.
You know the rules.
Exclusions from China's Section 301 tariffs.
Okay, I could Seuss long here on a blue. If I hear buyer's step. With an Enigma audio box play. Technically already hit its target. In the direction of audio box. Audio box leading the way. There's a Seuss. Okay. Hearing buyer's step on the Seuss. Yeah, I see that red dot on 34s. Needs to crack. I'm hoping. If we're going to get all the way up there. That's probably what's holding this back. Alright, I'm going to kill it. Nope, hearing the other side. So if audio box is running it and you hear the buyers, well, the sellers start to come in there. No good. I got to hear the buyers step back in. If they're going to step in, then we can roll. If it's not, it's no good. We know we've got there. We know they want to get there, but sometimes they'll let this play out harder. They'll let it play all the way down to 100 ticks, float it, make it really look like it's going down, get enough people, and then bust the stops to push them up into that take profit zone. We got plenty of time. It's 2:43.
Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
They're tempting me in their retry zone here. Hey, Plutonium. Good afternoon, sir. All right, hearing the buyers step back in. I'm going to give it one more try here. Nope. Oy vey. This is a 1-2-3 banger. We should be getting short right here. Like, I want to short this so badly. I am concerned with the slow grind scenario here. I would love to hear some seller step. I know I'm trying to give it the opportunity to go to the long side. I am. Tried. Are we gonna go? All right, I gotta not look at it. This is Medusa affecting me right now. I think we're gonna run up, but this is a 1, 2, 3 banger. But I think it's getting negated for whatever reason. There's too much juice in here. That is you got the bumblebee effect. He wants to go get his honey up in here. But this is such a beautiful 1, 2, 3 banger. Like, I want to hit this so hard. I'm just not up on the day high enough for me to try to put on the risk. And the 89 does not look like it's ready to come down. Seems like it's going to 23,800. Now, this is one of those where I would love to confirm with a Mike Schwartz room. Is Mike Schwartz online right now? Like, just go whichever direction they're going, let's go the opposite. The Medusa effect is here. So whichever way they feel it's going, let's play the opposite. All right, here in sellers, step through. It's 2 try rule on this scenario. It could fake me down though and pop up. I am hyper aware of that. If I hear buyer's step, I'm out. A 1, 2, 3 banger is about a 100 tick opportunity. Nope, putting in a blue bar, halving up. Hearing buyers step off the back of that.
Reverse.
All right, I'm getting long again. Looks like a Medusa, a fake down, and we get the continuation up. Let's see. Oh my goodness. All right, man. I am getting farted up in the middle of some nasty beehive here. We have a 1, 2, 3 banger opportunity here. I'd love to be able to participate in it, but I don't want to get caught in a trap where they're like, okay, because it's totally Medusa affecting. Whatever the first move is probably not going to be the right move. Medusa, okay? Get it? It's a beehive. Medusa effect. Whenever it's like, oh, okay, oh, it's going down. People will jump in the downside, and then it will slowly creep back up and up and up and up and up, and then pop their stops. That's what they're trying to do here. What it feels like. The 1, 2, 3 banger any other time. Any other time. I'm in. All right, we have 20 seconds to get to 100 likes. We need 13 more likes. Don't have much time. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be here in the morning. Can't get to 100 likes. I'm out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya.